Linking your bank account to Twitch Prime can enhance your experience by allowing you to manage subscriptions and payments seamlessly. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Create a log into your Twitch account. Visit the Twitch website and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Ensure you have access to the email associated with your Twitch account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access Twitch Prime. Navigate to the Twitch Prime section. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner, then selecting Twitch Prime from the drop-down menu. If you don't have Twitch Prime, you may need to sign up for an Amazon Prime account first. Step 3. Link your Amazon account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Srug to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Go to Account Settings. Once your accounts are linked, head to your account settings on Twitch. Click on your profile icon again to select Settings and then navigate to the Connections tab. Step 5. Add your bank information. In the Connections tab, look for the payment options. Here, you can add your bank account details. Follow the instructions to enter your bank information securely, ensuring all details are correct before saving. After completing these steps, your bank account should be linked to your Twitch Prime account, allowing for easier management of subscriptions and payments. Enjoy your enhanced Twitch experience.